Hello guys, and hope doing well. Most of time you have always open red switch and you want to use it as reverse. For example, when the red switch is disconnected, the LED now is on. When the magnet going to close to the red switch, it is off. It is reverse red switch. You can use this circuit for all other projects that you have open relay or open red switch or open LED or NTC or most of projects. This will use as reverse, and here is the schematic. Very well. The IC that I use is CA3130. You can use also UA741. The input voltage is 3 to 5 volt. The regulated voltage is much better. The pin number 4 and number 8 is always connected to the positive, or if it is single channel, connect pin 7, connect to the positive. Pin 6 is output, connected to the pin number 2 with 4.7k ohm resistor. The pin number 3 as balance, connected to the positive and negative over 27k ohm resistor. And finally the red switch is connected to pin number 3. So the pin number 6 is output. You can use as any connection. I connected to pin number 6 to LED. You can connect to the relay, to the ADC converters, or magnet matchings, or anything that you want. That's it. One more time, I will retest the project. The 27k resistors. Here is the 4.7k ohm resistor from pin number 2 and 6. This capacitor is optional. You can use it or not. Unused, but it is not necessary to use it. When the magnet going to close to the red switch, it is turning on and off. But this version of red switch is open red switch. If I connect the LED directly to the red switch, when the magnet connect to the red switch, the LEDs goes on. But now is reverse, and you can use it for this project. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.